Hello everyone! We have a new toy Lepin Girls Club Hotel in our house. And here's the menu on how to fix it. Look! Our hotel is finally ready! On the light! Can you show me what is so special about your grand hotel?
I think this leg here.
Huh? Okay. Is that how you turn on the light? Wow, our Mr. Technician Kenrick is trying to turn on the light.
Mama, don't do myself.
Okay, so we have turned on the lights for the two rooms. Wow, what is that? Let's look at the room.
I haven't not yet.
Oh,
Done it first.
okay, you're still fixing the light?
Done it. Baba.
Okay, let's check out the hotel room. Wow, in the hotel room.
Level 1 first. Turn in.
Let's check out what is on level 1. And level 1, there is an elevator. Next to the elevator is the... let me see. This looks like the front counter of the reception of the hotel. You see the giant keys over there, and you see clock with different time zone. And you see Miss Kesha. What's her name?
What are 3 lights? Open.
The cashier's name. Not sure what's her name.
Take it out.
In front of cashier. Oh, we have a princess at the hotel. And we have a singer who is performing. And we also have a grand piano in the backyard. And looks what's over here. It's a place where you can have dessert. And there is a dessert bar over there, like a restaurant. Wow, is there a newspaper? Let's check out the elevator. Wow, it's a manual functional elevator. Level 1, 2, and 3. And Terry just fixed a new light over there. Woo! Inside the elevator, the details are very small, but you can see that you can choose which floor to go to, and the bell, etc. Okay, let's check out what's at level 3. Oh, level 3. Oh, there's a DJ counter. And there's a drink section. And there's even a swimming pool. This is like a rooftop swimming pool. This is the exterior of the Grand Hotel. Look, there is a taxi waiting. The driver is not there though. And there is an outdoor dining area. Oh look, there's some pets outside there as well. And some food carts. Some carts for the luggage, as well as the fountain.
Oh, she turned the button.
What is broken, Kenrick?
Baba, help!
Help!
Baba, help!
What is broken? Can you show me what is broken?
Help! 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 Help!
What is broken?
Baba, help!
Oh, the elevator is broken?
Help!
Elevator under maintenance.
Oh, the elevator is under maintenance. But your hotel doesn't have a staircase, so how is your guest going to move upstairs? But the good thing is, everybody is downstairs. Nobody is at level 2 and 3, so we are all good.
Nobody level.
See? Everybody is at level 1.
Yeah.
The singer, the princess, the cashier, the hotel guest, everybody is in level 1. There's nobody at level 2 and 3.